Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be making these delicious triple chocolate brownies which are heavenly, and all you chocolate lovers, you need to try these out. So first you're going to grease and line a 7x7-inch pan and set that aside. Now to some all-purpose flour, add in the baking powder and instant coffee powder and mix that in until it's uniform and there are no lumps. Now in another bowl, take the butter and some chopped dark chocolate. Now place this bowl over some simmering water and stir until the chocolate and the butter have melted. Make sure not to overheat the mixture because you do not want the chocolate to burn. Once it has melted, let the chocolate cool a little bit. And then you're going to add 2 eggs to this and whisk them in until they are mixed in. Make sure to use room temperature eggs so that they do not curdle. Then add in some powdered sugar to this and whisk it in as well. Once that is completely mixed in, add in your dry ingredients and whisk them in just until they are combined. Make sure not to overmix the flour. Now to this you're going to add in some dark chocolate, milk chocolate and white chocolate. And mix those in until they are uniformly combined in the batter. And then transfer this to your prepared pan and spread it out evenly. And bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Make sure to check at 25 minutes so that you do not overbake the brownies. And then let these cool completely. Once cool, you can run a knife at the sides. And then slice them into as big or as small slices as you like. And then they are ready to be devoured. These are super fudgy and gooey and taste so delicious. They're almost like a candy bar. If you really love chocolate, make sure to give these a try and subscribe to stay up to date with new recipes. I'll see you soon. Bye!